Happy Valentine's Day!
Can you open?
Yes, you may open. This is our new baby Tootsie.
Her name is Tootsie.
Aww.
Oh no.
Just slide it. I'm dragging it. You're holding it. But hey, the dragon will slide. Good boy, Pedro.
Literally crawling with her on top of him. You're so cute.
I'm putting Valentine stickers on Bodhi. Are those smelly stickers? Do they smell good?
He's awake now. It's Valentine's Day. Would you like a smoochie? Well, wants a smoochie. Let's see if he wants a smoochie.
Okay, more kisses. You want more?
Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with
What to say?
Will
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
be
Yep.
my forever Valentine?
Okay, open it. Get down.
What is
Ronnie,
it?
watch out. Ronnie, watch out.
Today, a puppy.
What is it?
It's a real puppy. It's a real
Guess what? Get the puppy.
So in honor of Valentine's Day, we're going to draw a thing we do. Stop! No!
Loyalty again.
You told Rocky you want a Valentine treat. Here's your Valentine treat. Hey, Cody.
No. You're hurting me.
Oh, hug your mommy.
You don't like it down? No? Okay.
You're too much. Oh.
Okay, let's get down.
I smile. Yeah, that's a good boy. Smile. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's
I love you. I love you.
Let me see the tummy. Here, let me look at tummy. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, that's that tummy. Oh, there's a cooker.
Mama, say you be touching that.
What's going on? Tig! Let him go. Let him go.
Raise your hand if you see pee.
Let's tell me the truth. Gentle. Oh.
I love you.
I love you too.